how to log into your Mint app account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your app store, and then from here, if you simply like tap on the search icon right here and start searching for Mint. Here, let me tell you guys, unfortunately, you won't be able to find that because they have long been discontinued. That Mint application does not exist in any sort of platform anymore, so you guys cannot get that application in order to log into your account, right? But instead of that, what I recommend you guys do is simply search for Credit Karma and simply shift from that application to Credit Karma. This is also a very similar application from which there are also like a great reviews and ratings. So yeah, you can actually install this application on your phone and start using this instead of Mint Mobile. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.